Hello everyone and welcome to the third video of our real-time week series. I'm Alex, the architect for Back4App, and today we'll be learning how to listen for even more events in our real-time app. In the first video, I showed you how to create and configure an app so it will respond in real time. On the second one, we created a class and listen for our create event so we could retrieve newly created objects in our app. Today we'll be listening for delete events and update events. So here I have my app from the first video. So we have the person class with my record Nicole, which is 7 years old, in the dashboard, and here I have my Visual Studio with the code that we are going to write, and here's the part where we listen for the create event. Today we'll be listening for more events, so let's add in some code. The structure of the code is pretty much the same, but now we will listen for different events. So let's start by typing subscription dot on live query event dot update. This will listen for update values. So value, then we open brackets, and we are going just to debug print object updated and its value. So value. Since we're here, we can also add the delete trigger, subscription dot on live query event dot delete. Then we're going to retrieve the value, and in here we're going to debug print object deleted and its value. Now I'm going to type Flutter run, wait for Flutter and Visual Studio and Xcode to compile my iOS binary. Now I can see it's connected because I have my terminal open and the debug flag as true. So it's now subscribed to my person class. And now let's try to change the Nicole's value. So back in here, let's reduce this window a little bit so we can watch it on the logs. Let's change the age to 8. So 8 and hit enter, and notice here in the terminal what happens. Now once the object is updated in here, it immediately showed here with the new value. So age is now 8, so you can update your user interface to reflect those changes in real time as well. Also, let's try to delete that record and see how it does. So I'm going to check the record, click delete, and yes, delete. Once it is deleted, it immediately showed here as deleted with all the object's data, so you can change your user interface accordingly. Perhaps you want to take some decisions based on the data it was deleted, so it retrieves the full object, so you can decide by yourself which kind of the information you want to use or not. So some of you asked me why it's not showing in the user interface. We'll get there during this real-time week. For now, I want to focus in the code itself, but before we finish the real-time week in Flutter, I'll show you also how to display data in real time in the user interface as well. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you want to see, please leave it in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. So I hope this content is useful to you, and hope to see you back as we publish new videos for this series every single day of this week. So see you soon. Bye bye.